In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Blue Yeti mic on BandLab. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up your Blue Yeti mic on Windows and afterwards how to make sure that it is being detected by BandLab itself. So the first step is to go over to your Windows sound settings. So you will be able to look for the system settings and then go over to the sound category. Inside of sound, all that you have to do is make sure that the Blue Yeti mic appears under the input devices. So for this video, I am using a Fifine microphone. I unfortunately don't have a Blue Yeti, but don't worry, the process is going to be exactly the same for you. You need to find it here and make sure that it is properly detected and that you select it as a default microphone. If you don't see it here, don't worry, it's a very common issue. All that you have to do is go over to Advanced and then click More Sound Settings. This is going to open the playback and recording devices. In here, if you cannot find the Blue Yeti mic, right-click anywhere and then Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. Once you do this, every single recording device connected to your PC is going to appear. Find the Blue Yeti mic, right-click it, make sure you enable the microphone if necessary, and most importantly, that you set it as the default device. Once this is done, you can close down the Windows settings, make sure that the Blue Yeti mic is selected here under the input devices, and you can go back to BandLab itself. Of course, if you are doing this process on another device, such as a mobile device, you will have to go to the sound settings in there, but for this video, I'm going to focus on PC. Once you are inside of BandLab, go over to Create and start a new project or access a pre-existing one. Immediately upon opening up any track, you will have the option to record your voice/audio. You can also click the plus sign here and then choose voice or audio. The single most important thing is that you select the microphone that you wish to use as input, so it should appear here. Remember how I told you to set it as the default mic? In here, it is going to say default and then the microphone that you wish to use. In my case, it is going to be my Fifine microphone, but for you, it should be the Blue Yeti. As long as you select it here, you will be able to change some other options about the microphone and start recording right away. This button is going to become available immediately upon choosing the option to record voice/audio, and you will be able to mess with the recording here at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Blue Yeti mic on BandLab. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.